Guidobaldo del Monte. Guidobaldo del Monte, 11 January 1545 – 6 January 1607. Biography. Del Monte was born in Pesaro. His father, Ranieri, was from a leading wealthy family in Urbino. Ranieri was noted for his role as a soldier and also as the author of 2 books on military architecture. The Duke of Urbino, Duke Guidobaldo Roman II, honored him with the title Marquis del Monte, so the family had only become a noble one in the generation before Guidobaldo. On the death of his father, Guidobaldo inherited the title of Marquis. Guidobaldo studied mathematics at the University of Padua in 1564. While there, he became a friend of the great Italian poet Torquato Tasso. In fact, Guidobaldo may have known Tasso before they studied at Padua together, for Tasso was almost exactly the same age as Guidobaldo, and had been educated at the court of the Duke of Urbino, with the Duke's son, from 1556. Guidobaldo then served as a soldier in the ensuing conflict in Hungary between the Habsburg Empire and the Ottoman Empire. After serving in the army, Guidobaldo returned to his estate of Monte Montbaroccio in the March, where he was able to spend his time doing research into mathematics, mechanics, astronomy, and optics. He studied mathematics under Federico Comendino during this period and became one of his most staunch disciples. He also became a friend of Bernardino. He corresponded with several mathematicians including Giacomo Contarini, Francesco Barozzi, and Galileo Galilei. His invention of a drafting instrument for constructing regular polygons and dividing a line into any number of segments was incorporated as a feature of Galileo's geometric and military compass. Guidobaldo was also important in helping Galileo Galilei in his academic career. Galileo, then a promising but unemployed 26-year-old, had written an essay on hydrostatic balance, which struck Guidobaldo as being nothing short of genius. He then commended Galileo to his brother, the Cardinal del Monte, who referred him to the powerful Duke of Tuscany, Ferdinando I de' Medici. Under his patronage, Galileo got an indication to a professorship of math. Guidobaldo wrote an influential book about perspective, titled Perspectivae Libri Vi, published at Pesaro in 1600. He died at Montbaroccio in 1607. Works. Mechanicorum Liber in Latin. Pesaro, Girolamo Concordia 1577. Planispherium Universalium Theorica in Latin. Pesaro, Girolamo Concordia 1579. Problematum Astronomicorum Libri Septem in Latin. Venezia, Bernardo Giunta II, and Giovanni Battista Ciotti, and c. 1609.